Is gold too expensive? Greetings, Store Stackers. How you doing? I'm the Stacking Stormtrooper. If you're new to the channel, I'm a guy in a bucket talking about precious metals, so make sure you hit the subscribe button, get the bell notification clicked, and that way you get updated with any new content. So just a quick disclaimer, guys. Like I always say in my videos, I'm a guy in a bucket talking about precious metals. That's it. I am not a financial advisor, so, take this video for what it's worth. Anyhow, I've been getting some people asking me, Stacking Stormtrooper, is it too late to buy gold? It's too expensive. 1/10 ounce, a quarter ounce, it's 250, 500 bucks. It's getting out of control. So what are your thoughts on it, Stacking Stormtrooper? And well, this video aims to tell you my thoughts on that very question. So with that, let's just jump right into it. So why do I have this pile of gold here? Right now, what I am looking at here, what you're looking at here, is 13 ounces. I actually haven't watched my full stack video that I posted, I don't know, what was that, like 10 months ago maybe, give or take. I can't remember what my gold position was back then. I think it may have been 5 ounces. I can't recall. I probably should go watch it. But anyhow, I've been very bullish on gold. I made that video talking about my 2020 gold and silver stacking plan, or whatever the heck I titled that video. But I did say that I was basically going to stop buying lots of silver and I would be buying a lot more gold. I think I posted that video very end of December. Why is that? Well, because I was viewing and looking at and analyzing the silver and gold prices, and I just felt that gold was going to really make a move. And, the thing with gold is I wanted to be able to buy as much of it as I possibly could before I couldn't buy as much of it. Once the spot prices start to take off, it's definitely a lot more challenging to stack the way that you would like to. So oftentimes, when people are watching the silver and gold spot prices tank and they're all upset, I cannot be happier. I cannot be happier when spot prices just plummet. What that means is the value of my silver and gold has gone down, but I am not looking to sell it right now. I'm looking to sell this maybe in 30 years when I retire, 25 years. And even if I don't, then I would pass it down to my kids or grandkids. But, I am still bullish with buying precious metals, and I'm going to continue to be. I don't even know what spot price would keep me on the sidelines, to be completely honest with you. I've figured, okay, yeah, 20 bucks per ounce for silver. Maybe I would stop buying then, but to be perfectly honest with you, I don't even know if I would stop buying silver at 20 bucks an ounce, if that was the spot price. Many of you know I do have my auctions, and I'm constantly buying silver and gold regardless of the spot prices, because just because spot prices are higher, people are still going to be buying. There's always going to be buyers for silver and gold. Granted, that pool of people would change, but there is always going to be a buyer for silver and gold. If any of you disagree with me, feel free to comment down below, but there's always somebody with more money than you who's looking to buy. So, I'm always going to be buying silver and gold. I really don't think I would stop, regardless of the price. But, so what am I getting at here? Basically, guys, I'm basically saying, even though the spot prices continue to climb, I do think that you guys should be buying gold, because you know what? Gold is going to continue to rise, in my opinion, and many other experts. I think it's going to continue to rise. What number is it going to hit? I don't know. I have no idea. But just look at the historical trend of gold over time, and it's a constant movement like this. Yeah, it's going to go up and down, but the overall trajectory is going upwards. So, I think it's important to try to get as much as you possibly can before it becomes unattainable. I mean, right now, these 1/10 ounce gold eagles are going for $250 on some of the online bullion dealer websites. I bought like 30 something of these back in the mid 2000s for about $100 a piece. It was like $104 each for these that I spent. And so now they're going for more than double. And that was just, what did I say, 2004, 2005, something like that. It's like 15 years ago. So, now when I go to buy a 1/10 ounce gold eagle, spending $250 on it kind of stings a little bit. You know what I mean? It does. And I remember a few months back, Yankee Stacking and we were talking about getting gold buffaloes. And I remember the price was around like $1,530. And he and I were saying, oh, I want to get it, but the price is going to be too much. It's too much. Let's wait for it to dip. And it didn't. And it continued to rise. And then these were going for around $1,900, $2,000. Still right now, if you look at the bullion dealer websites, they're still going for quite a bit. And then there was just a little bit of a dip, and there was an opportunity to get a deal on this. This was through Yankee Stacking's guy, Tim, up in New Hampshire. And I got this for, I think it was $1,787. And to me, I was thinking, what a great deal that was. Isn't that nuts? 70, almost $2,000 on a coin, thinking, wow, what a good deal. So guys, I really do think though that this is the year you should be stacking gold. I am not a financial advisor by any means. I say that in the beginning of my videos. But I do think that this is the year that you should really try to pile on the gold. And you know what? If the price drops, let's say you're buying a ton right now and the price drops, within the next few months, what a great opportunity it is to buy more and then dollar cost average down. You know what I'm saying? But there will be a point where it'll get to be too much. So anyhow, buy the gold, my friends. And just a quick thank you to these elite channel supporters. And if you haven't become a channel member, please check out the awesome perks and join today. With that, I'm the Stacking Stormtrooper. If you enjoyed this video, please check out this video. This video was also awesome. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and long live the Empire.